Okay, so before we go further ahead, let's go back and check this out. Yeah, that's my morning face. I'm not a morning person really. Well, usually on Sundays I wake up happy, but I did not shoot this video on a Sunday. So welcome back to my channel Rube's Diaries. I hope you guys are doing great. Now this video is gonna be about my Sunday skincare routine. This video is loaded with tips and tricks for you to help you find your best skincare routine. So do not miss a single second of it. Plus, there's gonna be a secret hack for you towards the end of this video, so keep watching till the end. So the first thing that I do is turn the shower on full heat mode and let the water run for just say 8 to 10 seconds and let it steam the bathroom to give a sauna kind of effect. Oops, it's hot, so I use a loofah to close the tap and then set the tap for the right lukewarm temperature that I need. So I start off with the scrub. I use the green tea clarifying face and body scrub from Foshia. Next for cleansing, I use the Dove moisturizing shower gel. The next product that I use is an absolute favorite. I don't get it locally at Mumbai, so I have to order from Amazon with some delivery charges. It is the Jack olive oil, which is infused with herbs. It makes the skin instantly glow and so soft and supple. It's also super light on the skin and has this beautiful sandalwood aroma. And since it's winter, I put an extra layer of hydration with this Himalaya nourishing body lotion. And since it's Sunday and the day to apply my face mask, I cleanse my face right before applying the mask and not way before it. After cleaning my face properly, I'm going to use the deep cleansing nose strip for blackhead removal. We have to keep this strip for 15 to 20 minutes, so tab tak we will clean our nails. And then use some castor oil to nourish the nails and the skin around it. And let's not forget our toenails. Some lip balm on my lips. And the final step is this charcoal face mask in my own personal home spa setup. So this is the glow that I get after this skincare routine, which is so simple, and I'm going to seal this off with my sunscreen. Hey, do you remember the hack that I mentioned at the beginning of this video? So here it is. I lost the footage from this day, but I have an old one because this is the same thing that I use every time I do my skincare routine. And yeah, that's the hack. Once you're done using the face mask on your face, take the mask and put it on your feet like this, and you get the same hydration on your feet as well. Thank me later. Sunday skincare routine. If you like this video, you know what to do. That'll be all from Roop's Diary signing off, and soon I'll be back with another video. Take care. Bye bye.